So yes, it's live. My God. How do I do this? So I'm just checking everything is fine. I think okay. So let's do. How do I check the links? Please check the video resolution. On widget. Okay. So let me see how I can share this to somebody. Copy. New tab. Enter. Namaskaram. Namaskaram. This is my first live in YouTube and first loading. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I will see if this is working. So this is my first stream, so bear with me. Let me share it. Yeah. Sharing. Sharing. Okay. I'll close this and I'll keep this. I'll also stop this, I think. Okay, so let's start. So I have a project here in GitHub, which is I'm going to try with Eleventy. Actually, this is my first project doing all this stuff. I have never tried this before. So I'm using Eleventy, Nunjucks, Tailwind, and Alpine. So all the 4 tools I'm using here, this is the first time I'm using. So this is also my first stream. So just bear with me if I make some mistakes, errors, anything like that. Just bear with me. So what I have done so far is, as you can see here, I have made few sections here. So this one sections I have done, and I have a Figma file here. So this is what we are building right now. So I have made this first section, also the second, and also the third section. Now I want to make the fourth section now. So I thought I should live stream this fourth section just for fun actually. So let's see how we can build this using what I have learned so far by making the above one. I will just show you the code. How is it currently? Let me open the Visual Code. So let me close everything now. So first of all, I have this package.json with start file which will run Eleventy, and the Eleventy script to serve, and CSS to run build command. So I have 4 commands here. So actually I'm using these 2 commands in 2 tabs here. Okay, then let's start with includes default.njk. I don't think we need this. Okay, let it be there. So this is my default.njk file. This is the actual file rendering there. So I have given all the basic stuff here. Then I have this data coming from this data folder, like navigation, index, all the basic stuffs here. So I have also called AlpineJS and navbar. I have included using Nunjucks, and I have added the content here. And the content for the index is from this page. This is the one which is rendering right now. Okay, let's see what's the status actually. Is anybody watching this already? Okay. right. So I will just open this analytics tab. Right. Okay, 5 playbacks. Total number of time video during pay refresh change of count this time. Current viewers, concurrent viewers. Okay. Let's go back to our coding. So this is the index page. So I have given the title, name, and this is in front matter. Now I have included overview, tab content. The header actually is called here. This is the navbar. Actually inside navbar we have also included the hero, as you can see here. So this is a navbar. Inside that I have added the header file to load only if it's home page, and then this part and this part and here. So now let me build this part. Okay, so let's see how we can use Nunjucks, Eleventy, Tailwind, and also AlpineJS to make this one. So I think it includes all the stuff. So since we have some interactions here, we have to include AlpineJS as well. So usually we use jQuery for this, so I'm planning to do Alpine. Actually, this is the first time I am trying Alpine. I usually have experience with jQuery only, but let's see if we can do this. There's also something like this. We have to think about this, how we should do in Alpine, because I think the stamp might be easy, but I think we should make this clickable. I think maybe this is going to take some time. Anyway, first let's build the UI. For that, let me open the VS Code and index.html. Oh, index.ngk actually. So I will create a new component called, what will be the section we'll call, like and I already called this section tab, so maybe we can screens, we can show that, because each menu here will show some screenshots here. So I think I can name this as screens. So let me rename it as screens, and in components let me create a new file called screens.njk. Done. Now the full width is actually a gradient. It's a kind of gradient we have to create first. So let me see how we can create a gradient. This should be done with Tailwind actually. So I will create a container here, and then we'll add a div for background, and then I will add a container here. So that's the, so in the screens, let's save this as well, and in screens let me create control. Oops. I think I don't have that. Div class equal to bg. It's actually going to control space now suggestions. So I think this is I'm streaming right now with my Mac. Usually I do on my desktop in my office. I'm streaming right now from home, so I think I have to set up all this. I think I have to install some extensions to make it work well, otherwise it will be very hard. So first I'll be installing TailwindCSS IntelliSense. And also I should add njk emmet. I think I have to set up emmet autocomplete for the njk file as well. Let's see. njk, oops, since it's streaming I think it made it slow. Nunjucks. Okay, here is the Nunjucks snippets. We need this. Okay, come on, come on. Let's see, okay. Then Nunjucks snippets. As language support. Yep, I think maybe we can install this as well. Index template format and formattings, index code. Okay, so let me see. Okay, it's going to be very slow, I think. Maybe because I'm running here, it's going to be very slow. Okay. Oh, oops. What can we do now? So let me think. Tailwind. Emmet. I think we have to add Emmet, add languages in JK. Okay. Let me open this Nunjucks template. Let's see. It's taking so much time. Let's see if the VS Code is running or not. Oops, I think we have to scoot that. This Mac is very slow, I think. Oops, pages are not loading. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so there you go. Yep, there is the settings we want to include. So let me copy. Come on, man, this is hard. Actually, it was super fast, but whenever I run this OBS Studio, it became very slow. I think we had to add manually, but the Visual Studio Code is now stopped working, so let me force quit this one. And then okay, then open VS Code. Is it everything? Yep, that's this one I think. So VS Code is now open, hopefully. Okay, so let's see if they backed up. Come on. Man, I'm sorry for this because this is very slow, I think. What do we do now? Yeah, coming. Come on. Yeah. It's coming. We'll give it some time. Okay. That's it. Let's touch here. And let's touch here. Explore file. Sorry. So where is the settings? Where is the settings? Where is this preference? Settings. Okay. This is highlighting. Very slow, but it's working. Let me open the extension. Let me search actually. Nunjucks. Oh. Okay. I see how is this. This is hard. I think actually I should close some of this tabs to save the space, I think. Maybe I will close this. I think we should keep this, I guess. Shall I? Okay. I have got 3 viewers right now. One should be me. The another one is my wife from downstairs. No other people. I think the other one is I'm from my mobile. Okay. Okay, the Twitch is also online. 11T VS Code. And I never thought the VS Code will suck in Mac. Come on. Come on, yeah. Oh shoot. Okay, I think I have to pause this live stream. I don't know. What should I do? What should I do? It's slow. Maybe I will try once more time. I will right click and force quit. Okay. So now it became fast. Then also I should close Safari. I'm not using that. Sublime. I'm also not using that. Terminal. I think I can close it now. I will open only 3 apps. So Eleventy I'm going to close. Nunjucks I think I will keep this to floor now. Let me see if I can copy this. Yep. Let me open the VS Code again. Reopen, yeah. That's what we need. Reopen. Okay. It's a little bit fast, I think so. If you're not watching this live stream, I think you should skip ahead. Nobody's watching this live stream right now. I think if you're watching this later, it's not a live stream yet, you can skip this part because this is going to take some time. I think I should have set up that before. So let me see if I can do one last time. Code. Oops. No. Okay, let me pause this stream and I will just fix this and I will come back.